Ang taong walang bahay. Kay tatang lumalapit. Ang ton gustong mag grocery. Kay tatang lolapit. Sa Manila laging bukas. Si tatang kasama ang manga. Moxiang banat niya sa negosyo. Ninong TV proudly presents another action of learning, the business and life of Mr. Henry C. with your Denver Ninong Castro as Henry C. Ang Tatang ng Manila, discovering the SMDC condo and learning his SM bonus products of Henry C. in the Philippines simulcast on Ninong TV Facebook and YouTube. The Henry C's 4th Death Anniversary Special Presentations. Henry C. the King of Philippine Business. Only here at Ninong TV, your educational vlog show and entertainment.
Good afternoon to all of you, and what's up? And this is your Denver Ninong Castro once again, and welcome to Ninong TV. You are watching from Facebook and YouTube subscribers, and for today's video blog is another action of learning the businesses and the services of Mr. Henry C. that he is doing to serve the Philippine nation. And the title of our blog today is Ang Tatang ng Maynila, discovering the SMDC condo and learning his SM bonus products of Henry C. in the Philippines. Okay, and this is part of the Henry C's 4th death anniversary special presentation. Okay, so this is something to be a special production because in this segment we are also remembering the King of Philippine Business, Mr. Henry C., on his contribution, on his services, how he created his service for the people, for the business, for the nation, and of course, for helping others, the CSR. So, for today, we will study is the SMDC. Ayan, yung mga gusto magkabahay, gusto magkakondo, and yung SM bonus sa mga mahilig mag-grocery. So, we will tackling those of the two businesses that Mr. Henry C. have for through the years. Diba? So, i-ready nyo na ang cellphone nyo, ang inyong ballpen, because we will do a special educational and a twist of fun entertainment, no? Para di naman kayo maboring. Para hindi nyo sabihin, daldal na lang ng daldal tong ninong na to, no? So, syempre, konting alin. So, we will have here first is the SMDC meaning. Ano nga bang meaning ng SMDC? So, the SMDC is SM Development Corporation. SMDC is the largest and fastest growing real estate developer in the Philippines, championing perfectly integrated commercial and residential environment. SMDC provides every Filipino and its investors access to a sustainable and attainable cosmopolitan lifestyle. So that is the meaning or the complete detail about the SMDC. And for this video, for those who is finding a home, for those who is finding a great place that you can buy or you can have your rent or house or business. Pwede rin naman to in business. So, ito yung mga pangalan ng SMDC ni Mr. Yancy. So, kala natin yung SMDC is SMDC na nag-iisa lang. Ang SMDC, marami pala tong branch at mapapalaban na naman ang ninong niya sa pag-state ng mga ito. Okay. So, first of all, get ready your pen, get ready your cellphone. And for our parents, for our jowa-jowa dyan na naghahanap ng kanilang future home, ito ang mga perfect names or tirahan ng SMDC na para sa inyo. Simulan natin dito sa Air Residence, Lush Residence, Gold Residence, Fame Residence, S Residence, Bloom Residence, Lane Residence, Smile Residence.
A few moments later.
So we have Wind Residence, Sun Residence, Berkeley Residence, Now Residence, Grace Residence ba? Wala pa bang Sean Residence? Pag meron baka in the future, pag may tinayo, bibili ako ng condo dyan. Sean Residence. Okay, partner ng Grace yan. O para may tirahan si Ninong nyo. O, Hill Residence, Shore Residence, Shore 2 Residence. May part 2 pa pala to. Suns Residence, Coast Residence, Blue Residence, Glam Residence, Charm Residence. At saka, kung pagod ka na, pumalma ka, Calm Residence. Okay, pagod na sa mga business, yung daming ginagawa. Calm Residence. Sea Residence. Hindi yung apelyedo ko Sea, asing dagat. Mag-swimming ka. Sea Residence. Meron pa dito. Vine Residence. Puno. Siyempre, ano bang partner ng puno? Hindi lang naman yung lupa yun, di ba? May damo or grass. Grass Residence. Also here, Sail Residence. Okay, another thing we have here. So, kung may vine, so, kailangan may tree, may puno. Trees Residence. Ano bang partner ng puno? Di dahon, leaf residence. Diba? Napaka-healthy, napaka-environmental lang pwede yung tirahan dito. Fame Residence, Spring Residence, Chateau LEC Residence. Ganda dyan. Gem Residence. Kung ikaw may mahilig ka mag-ipon ng diamond, pwede ka ditong tumira sa Gem Residence. Gem kung mga mahilig mag-mobile legends din, diba? May gem doon. Okay. Meron naman dito Light 2 Residence. Kung wala kang ilaw, dito ka na sa Light 2. Maraming ilaw. Isa pa, may part 1 pa yan. Light Residence at Light 2. Dalawa yan. Light at Light 2 Residence. Ito pa, Twin Residence. Kung may kakambal ka, hindi kayo mawawala dahil yung tirahan nyo twin din. Twin Residence, dalawang tower yun. Right? Ice Tower Residence. Chill ka muna. Ice ka muna. Water. Ice na muna tayo dyan. Shore 3 Residence. Ayan. South Residence. Joy Residence. Breeze Residence. Park Residence. And ito naman. Hirap pala nito. Red Residences, Hope Residences, Green Residences, Mint Residences, Shell
Kayo ba nag-uopisina? Kayo magsalin na. Ay, mga bunga dyan. Inom tayo.
Residences, Lord Residences, Chill Residences. Yes! Ayun na. So, you just witnessed the condominium of Mr. Henry C. na talagang ang dami, halos 40 plus nagawa niya yun, no? Talagang nakita natin dito yung kanyang action of making business for through the years, no? Talagang hard work is there, and Mr. Henry C. really thinks to serve the nation, na ang lahat ng Pilipino ay magkabahay, kahit sino ka man, no? Kung ikaw ay na-stress na sa iyong tahanan, gusto mo ng bagong bahay, yung comfortable, environmental house. So, talagang Henry C. is really doing the fight to serve the nation, no? Kahit naka-wheelchair na siya, talagang nagsisikap pa rin siya or through the years since nagawa ang SMDC in the year 2001 or 2002 until this 2023. Ang dami pa rin mga SMDC na ginagawa, no? So kahit na sa huling hininga ni Mr. Henry C. is tayo ang kanyang iniisip, di ba? Kaya talagang pinortrait ko na kunwari ako si Henry C. talaga, na I see how he do the hard work, na kahit pawis ka na, pagod ka na, sige lang, push lang, talagang hard work, di ba? Ay na nagtanggal na ng mga polo, talagang nagtatrabaho pa rin ang inyong Henry C. Oh, natuwa kayo, naging Kelvin Miranda ako kanina diyan, no? Anyway, it's just a part of the visualization, diba? Sa reality, more than pa yung dinanas ni Henry C dito para lang maitayo niya yung kanyang mga future condominium. You know, hindi naman to para sa kanya, kundi para sa ating lahat. Yung mga taong walang bahay, yung mga taong kailangan ng space, kailangan nila ng komportabling tahanan. Masyado na silang nasasakal sa kanilang kinalalagyan. Gusto nila ng tahanan na malapit sa trabaho nila. Gusto nila ng bahay na malapit sa church, malapit sa pamilyahan. So Henry C. think of that way. Diba? So we truly discover the action of learning Henry C.'s businesses. Kaya talagang we salute, and I salute to Mr. Henry C. Talagang he really do the hard work. So, on the next episode, you will discover here is the SMDC pictures. So, kanina, I presented the names of the condominium na talagang very challenging na naman. No? Ang dami kong binanggit. No? Nakakapagod man isipin, pero hindi natin alam. Yan din ang hard work ni Mr. Henry C. Just to give smile and hope and a new home, di ba? So worth it din yung kanyang pagod. Worth it din yung kanyang sikap, di ba? Dugot pawis ang dinanas ni Mr. Henry C. para dito. Partida, naka-wheelchair na ka, no? Inisip niya pa tayo. Talagang kahit sa huling hininga ni Sir Henry C. He think for the good. He think for the betterment, kung anong dapat mangyari sa atin na magkaroon ng matibay at maayos na pamamahay. Diba? Talagang we salute Mr. Henry C. for his hard work. No? So, on the next picture that you will see is the document. So, yung mga pricing, yung mga picture ng condo na gusto yung tirhan, makikita nyo na dito sa video vlog ng Ang Tatang ng Maynila. Okay? So, you will check it out. thank you for watching. I hope you've just discovered about the condominium. Now it's time for your ninong. Of course, gusto ko rin mapil ang SMDC condominium. Together with my family and friends, we experienced the SMDC condominium. We go to Chateau LC. This is last 2014 pa. So matagal-tagal na rin pala to. So you will check it out my experience in SMDC of Mr. Henry C. The Chateau LC. Okay, thank you for watching. You just discovered the SMDC. Now we will go for the slide of SM bonus. O yung mga may bagong bahay sa SMDC, congratulations. At ngayon, kailangan naman natin bumili ng ating essential grocery. Eh syempre, yun naman ang partner ng ating bahay, yung ating grocery, yung ating pang-araw-araw. Now we will discover here is the SM bonus. At isa yan sa tinitinda ng SM Hypermarket, SM Store, at kung ano-ano pa man. First of all, what is the meaning of SM bonus? Shop fresh groceries, health and beauty household. What's new? SM bonus navigation home. This means generic labeled products. To set a famous example, SM bonus products you find at the grocery store. So yan ang meaning ng SM bonus. Now I will give you the floor for the slide of my experience of happy shopping at SM bonus together with my family. So, and to discover na napakasaya at napakasarap bumili sa SM bonus at sa mga product na kailangan natin. May mga bagong product ang SM bonus. Meron silang bagong product na pansit, asukal, and any ingredient na kailangan natin sa pangluto. So, you will check it out the new products also of SM bonus.
Sa gulay na.
Sa gulay po. Sundan mo kami.
It's been a hard day's night. I've been working like a dog.
Yung bonus.
Japanese.
Sige, magkuha ka lang.
Kuya, kukuha ako. Mami!
Kailangan ko ito. SM bonus. Yung kalamansi. Ayaw. Ganda.
Look, you can actually
Kamasi. Kailangan ko ng kalamansi. Pati patatas meron silang bonus. Ano sabi mo, Aya?
Hindi ko rin alam.
Ha?
Hindi ko alam.
Ano pa tayo ng mga SM bonus? Oh, saan? SM bonus din, sasama.
Kuya, stop.
Okay. Dito pa meron, oh. Kuha ka dito, baby. Ano pa ng mga SM bonus?
Bye, bye, bye.
Ayun, oh. Dito, tingin ka lang, oh. Ito, oh.
Hear the night storm young. Feel my soul wreck the fear. Through the daft in
Okay, you've just discovered the SM bonus and the SMDC compilation. Now it's time to discover the CSR of SMDC and SM bonus, that they are not only creating condo and supermarket to serve the people, but they also want to serve with a heart. And that's the goal of Mr. Henry C, to share his blessings. And for the next episode of that, you will discover once again the lesson video from Tatang Henry C as part of our main title, ang Tatang ng Maynila, and to celebrate his his 4th death anniversary. So, hindi tayo nagsasaya dahil patay na siya, ha? So, nagsasaya tayo, or we celebrate because yung kanyang mga iniwang legacy, yung kanyang mga iniwang pamana for all of the Filipino people. Diba? Na tayong lahat ay feel happy and feel grateful pa rin talaga, because SM is giving us the essential, our needs and our wants, maging ang ating bahay, grocery, properties, nasa isip ni Mr. Henry C. So, we are giving this as a pay tribute and a special salute for the King of Philippine Business, Mr. Henry C. thank you for watching. And this is the vlog of Ang Tatang ng Maynila discovering the SMDC condo of Henry C. and learning his SM bonus products. So this is in part of the Henry C's 40th anniversary. So we are still grateful and happy that SM is here. We are sad that he passes away, but we're happy because ito yung naging pasalubong niya sa atin habang buhay nating dadalhin. And until now, we still feel that Henry is only around of us, lalong-lalo na pag nakakapasok tayo ng SM, bibili natin yung essential and our needs and our wants. That is the services of Mr. Henry C. Tsaka yung pagtulong sa kapwa, that is the education that he can give. Tsaka yung scholarship, diba? So, we are all helping. So, mayaman, mahirap, patas lang ang laban para kay Henry C. We are all helping to serve the nation and to fight crisis and to have a good life. So, thank you. God bless all of you. And this is your Ninong. You can buy this video blog through MP4 download and post on your own social media for your educational and entertainment purposes for only 150 pesos. And 80 pesos from screen record, first slide up to last slide. So PM me in Facebook, Denver Ninong Castro. I will reply you in my chat and even in Instagram. So pwede nyo ako yung chat Ninong Denver Castro para yung mga inquiries ng mga video na gusto nyo i-download, even this video or any variety of information that you wanted to have. Thank you, and this is your Ninong TV.